Look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Colorado. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 on the highway. This Colorado boasts a 3.7-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVWR, 5,000 pounds, 2268 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, differential, automatic locking rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine, 3.7 LDOHC 5-cylinder speed, license plate bracket, front, LPO chrome package and the trailering equipment. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.